You guys, first of all, what up? I am currently in a Target parking lot. I'm about to go use the potty. TMI, sorry, but I usually go to Target on my stops when I'm Ubering. I either go to Target's or a grocery store, whether it's like Ralph's, Vons, Whole Foods, whatever, when I'm doing my like little breaks because my bladder's terrible. But I decided that I wanted to record a little bit today, and I want to try Tabitha Brown's new snacks that she just came out with. So I'm going to do my business, then I'm going to see what they have. Hopefully they actually have all of her stuff at this location. Also, because this location is a Target grocery location, so I'm hoping that because they're a Target grocery location, they should have some of her stuff. But she be popping or whatever, and I know a bunch of people, they went to get her stuff like the day it released, which was like maybe like 4 days ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what's in there. I'm gonna go try some stuff. I'm really interested / excited to try her pickled okras. I despise okras with like all of me. I ate them a lot growing up, and I thought it was just gross. And like when I was old enough to say no, I'm like, yeah, I'm good. But when she did her little video trying the snack, she was like, you see, ain't no slime. And I'm like, okay, ain't no slime. I'm finna try because I know okras are like really good for you. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. We gonna see what's in there, and then at some point, it's definitely not gonna be right after I'm done with Target. It'll probably be either tonight or another day. I'm going to try them with you guys and let you know my thoughts. Alrighty, let's go into Target. Okay, so here's her little section. I'm absolutely not buying any of the accessories yet, but I'm definitely gonna try this one. I'll try this one. I'll definitely try these. What is this? An aioli spread. I'll try one of these. I don't think I need to buy both because I'm not big on spreads like that. So this one is a garlic truffle. This one's a spicy jalapeno cilantro, and then this is aioli. Then there's a lemon garlic. Then there's another lemon garlic. See, this is what I wanted to try. So there is the lemon pepper or lemon flavored, and then there is the garlic flavored. Lemon or garlic, lemon or garlic, lemon or garlic. I feel like I want to do the lemon just because I can always like add garlic on top. And then she has some herbal teas. I'm definitely going to try one of these as well. So there is the elderberry, and then there is, what is this? Lemon balm. And I missed one. There is this one as well, which is a dandelion. Okay, so I'm back in the car. They didn't have every single flavor of like the items that she came out with. There was also like these nuts that I missed. So it was the black garlic nuts, and then it was a trail mix that was there as well. But I still went with the other garlic nuts just because I've had trail mix before. I don't want to overdo it because I take a long time to go through snacks. Though I'm a foodie and I'm a snack queen, sometimes I let snacks sit for too long and I don't want to waste them. But I did get the 2 different types of popcorn. I got the tea. I'll obviously show you guys later while I'm about to test. And then I got the, I think it was garlic truffle spread. And then the lemon okras. Low-key, I feel like I'm gonna stop at another Target and see what they have. Because I want to say when she was doing her little taste test, there was pickled popcorn, and I love pickles and I love popcorn, so we'll see if I can find it at another location before I do my taste test. Okay, you guys, so I'm at another Target, and I'm gonna try to make it super quick because somebody just asked me for a favor because people are losing their shit lately and I have to bring a friend to go get keys. But I'm gonna let you guys know what I find in here, because apparently I missed a lot at the first Target I went to because there's a whole like frozen food section and everything, so TBD. Quick outfit check in the dirty mirror at Target. Dude, at least this one I can spot her section from a mile away. There she is. So these was what I was looking for yesterday, so I'm gonna grab these because I have the other two. And then I'm gonna check out the cold section. Honestly, these are giving as well, but I'm gonna opt out just because I feel like I'm gonna kill these in one sitting, and I just don't want to do that to myself because that'll be very unhealthy for me. But there's this. I saw this one yesterday, and there's one other one that I don't see here that I heard she has, but it's okay. So I definitely walked by this section like 3 different times and couldn't find it, but I'm gonna grab a couple of these because I'm in a rush, and I'll show you guys which ones I grabbed. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the options because some of the items that are here, I'm taking the last one. So there's this one, there is this one, cream cheese, this, definitely getting that, another cream cheese, hummus, not a fan of mushrooms, not getting that, this flavor ravioli, this is the one I'm gonna try. Then there's potato salad, then there's this kind of potato salad as well. This is the one that I'm gonna actually get, lemon dill. I feel like that sounds delicious. Then there's sausages. This is the one I'm gonna grab. There's this kind, and then there's also this kind. And then the patties. I honestly don't need patties, so I'm not even gonna bother grabbing any. I'm not gonna do that to myself, but you know, I'm sure they're delicious. There's this one, and apparently she has sauce, but I don't see the sauce. Might have to ask someone. Okay, so I got some more goods. Apparently the sauce is sold out, so I'm just gonna have to eat these raviolis without sauce. It's okay though, I'll do like a garlic sauce or one of her spreads, I'll make it into a sauce. Like, we're gonna finesse it for sure. Okay, you guys, the time has come. Today I am going to do the tap taste test. But I just finished my workout and I feel like I'm low-key about to pass out. So I'm about to make a quick smoothie before I start prepping all the goodies that I'm going to be trying from Tabitha Brown's collection. Yeah, and it's going to be fun. And it's going to be delicious because I've heard amazing things and I cannot wait to try. But without further ado, see you after my smoothie. Okay, you guys. So the time has finally come. Pretty sure I have everything that I purchased. Sad news, I wanted to purchase the, I think it was like mango habanero sausages. And because I was in a rush to go help my friend, I completely forgot to grab them. I also didn't have a basket, so I had to like run and grab a basket. And I think I just like forgot to put it in my basket before I left. But it's all good, I'll try it some other time. But I did get, you know, a decent amount of stuff. I have the raviolis here. I have the hummus here. I have the cream cheese here. The pasta salad. I also low-key thought this was potato salad, but it's all good. I also like pasta salads. And then I have the okra. And then this garlic truffle spread. I have the black garlic roasted mixed nuts. Really excited about this. I have the tea. I actually need to go get my teacup and my tea kettle. Then I have the garlic parmesan, all vegan. The sweet and salty, which is like probably like a kettle corn. And then the dill pickle, which I just had to get. And I think that pretty much like wraps it all up. Let me go grab my tea kettle. I'm gonna show you guys how cute my tea kettle is. I probably show you guys before, but hold please. Okay, so I had to grab a lot of ingredients because you need honey for the tea. My hello there mug, because this is one thing that I got the other day when I went into Target and I saw all her stuff. I was like, I definitely don't need any more mugs, but I'm gonna get one. And then I just remembered that I had put a little bit of the what is it called? Butternut squash soup in the microwave, so I'm gonna grab that as well. Be right back again. Soup, and I'm also gonna grab salt and pepper just because I want to put a dash in this, and that's no shade to Tab, but I like to add salt and pepper to everything. Okay, I feel like I have everything. Now I have everything. Okay, so I'm so excited. What do I want to try first? Okay, I'm gonna try first. That's too hot, so we're gonna wait. Let's do the ravioli first, just because it's kind of staring me in my face, and it probably looks a little fancy because I added a little garlic sauce that I made because I was unable to find the sauces. I had told you guys already they're sold out of the sauces, so I was like, it's fine, I'll just do a little garlic butter situation, because I use plant-based butter anyways. So I just did kind of a garlic butter sauce, and then what else did I put on top? Oh, and then I just did salt and pepper. So we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna try it with that sauce, even though it's already in that sauce. And then I do want to also low-key try this garlic spread on top. This might have been a good substitute to kind of just maybe throw it in the pan and throw on top. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of both. Them in half, so, like that. Come on, look at my Tabitha coming in, so, like that. This fork is very miniature, so it's making it a little difficult. Okay, so it smells very delicious. This is what it looks like, and then I'm just gonna try it with this garlic butter sauce that I made. That's giving. Wow. Okay, so this is sweet potato and cauliflower ravioli made with cashew cream. Amazing, delicious. I'm not gonna read you guys all the ingredients because that's doing too much, but those are the main, what's on the wrapper. So good. Oh my gosh, so good. That's really giving. Wow. Okay, so how am I going to do this? I think I'm going to use a knife, and I'm going to just put a little splat right there. Maybe spread it out a little bit. And then, okay, that's also very delicious. Vegan truffle garlic spread, perfect for adding to sandwiches, bowls, or roasted vegetables. Delicious. Okay, I'm also gonna try this with a chip as well, but I did want to, I'm gonna just have a whole ravioli, to be honest. It's just so good. So I'm just gonna kind of, I'm making a mess. I'm just kind of smother it in the garlic spread. Smothered. Okay, not mad at that. Okay. I almost feel like I feel like it might be a lot with this and with the ingredients that are in this. I feel like just the regular basic garlic butter sauce that I made, which was literally just garlic bits, butter, a dash of olive oil, and then the salt and pepper on top of the ravioli. I don't know if I'm a biggest fan of the spread with the ravioli, but separate delicious, separately delicious. You guys, I still forgot to bring the damn kettle. Let me go get it. Hold, please. How cute is this kettle? Like, I can give you guys a link if you want. It's from Walmart. I bought it like maybe 2 years ago, but big fan. I forgot what I was saying, but anyways, delicious, delicious, delicious. I approve. So we're gonna do the organic dandelion nettle cleansing herbal tea. So we're gonna try that. Look at how cute. I love her prints that she chooses. Everything's just like so colorful. Also, fun fact, if you don't know who Tabitha Brown is, I honestly never really was put onto her until that whole incident. Like, I'm not gonna try to act like I was rocking with her way before that. I know of her because of that one situation where Wendy Williams tried to come for her, and she just, you know, nicely put Wendy in her place and said a nice prayer for her, and that's how I aspire to be. So she also just like always shares like the most amazing, beautiful like advice. Like sometimes I'm like, Tab, are you reading my whole life right now? Like, how did you know I needed to hear this message? But yeah, she's just so beautiful. I think this has like a cute quote on it. Have the most amazing day. Oh, that's so cute. Look. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put that in my hello there. Sorry, hello there. And then I'm going to pour my hot water in here. I'm like so excited right now. If you guys didn't know already, I love eating and drinking, but I love eating very much. And like, I low-key always tell people, I'm like, listen, if I can get paid to eat, like I would absolutely be like out of this world happy, because why not get paid to eat, especially if it's something that you like to do. And I do like trying different things as well. I just, when it comes to certain textures, I'm very like, I don't know. But I definitely like trying different cuisines, different cultures, foods, and whatnot. I feel like I'll low-key try everything once. But yeah, so we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then we are also, while we are here, I'm going to get a chip. I have this like random bag of chip left over from Christmas of just like this like spread that I put out, and I just have it here for whenever I want to, ooh, you know what would be fire actually? There's these like truffle chips. Dip. A little truffle on truffle. Not mad at it. Now let's try a sweet potato tortilla. Yeah, I'm not mad at that combo. This is giving with the sweet potato tortilla. Okay. Giving. Very delicious. Okay. So far I approve of the first two items. The spread and the ravioli. And it's in here because I obviously like had to open the package to take out a few to test, and the rest of it is just in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. Okay. Next, let's do the cream cheese. So the cream cheese that I got is caramelized onions, cream cheese style spread, and I'm just gonna put it on a rice cake. Might not eat the whole thing just because I feel like there's a lot going on here, but obviously if like once I'm like done, if I feel like snacking some more, I just might. So we're gonna get the cream cheese here, and I'm just gonna spread it on my rice cake. I feel like this is just gonna be so delicious. And obviously like you can get fancy too if like you ever decide that this is like a snack that you want to do, like cream cheese on your rice cake. You could probably put like some veggies on here. salt and pepper or something. I'm not gonna overdo the salt and pepper today. So this is the rice cake, cream cheese. Wow. I am so not mad at the caramelized onion. This would actually slap on a bagel. Or if you used this, I low-key probably could do that now, but I'm not gonna be extra. If you did this with a cracker and jam, you know when you do like cheese with cracker and a jam, fire. So good. So good. I'm totally gonna finish that after. I just kind of like want to move through this, and I don't want to make this video super long. I kind of want to like, you know, because I know the attention span these days is just not all the way there. Oh my gosh, delicious. Okay, ravioli, check, bomb. Garlic spread sauce, check, delicious. In any way you want to play it. Caramelized cream cheese, fire, fire, fire. I hope all this stuff doesn't expire too soon because, oh no, we got time. Because your girl wants to savor all of it, okay? Okay, so then we're gonna do the hummus next. Obviously I showed you guys all the other options, but I just feel like this one resonates best with me. And I got the jalapeno lime hummus. Let's see, oh. We will do, I guess, just a sweet potato chip again. So let's see. It's like the lime just like sneaks up on you. It's not like there immediately. That's really good. Wow. I'm here for it. I put hummus on so many things. So this is about to slap. Like every day. Wow, that's so good. I almost want to eat it by itself. Ooh, chow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm very much here for that. Jalapeno lime. Amazing. She's stressing me out because everything's so good. Okay. Next, let's do the soup before it gets too cold. It's probably still hot, but so the soup is butternut squash bisque, made with butternut squash, sweet potatoes, onions, and coconut milk. Sounds so good already. This is what it looks like. Container. And then this is it in like the cute little container thingy that I have. Smells amazing. I'm just gonna do a little dash of pepper. And then like a splat of salt. Just because I like salt and pepper and like almost everything. Oh, the consistency, giving. Yeah, it's definitely still super hot, but I love when my food burns my mouth, especially if it's supposed to be hot. Okay. Okay. Delicious. See, I'm actually not mad at myself for putting salt and pepper in this. I feel like it's delicious, but I feel like I needed the pepper, like, and the salt. It's definitely giving healthy, it's giving vegan, and I love a butternut squash soup, like, always and forever. It's just like everything. Yeah, I'm gone. I would even like honestly go to the extent, because when I do my soups, usually they're out the can or something like this. I usually will add, depending on the soup, salt, pepper, garlic powder,
Sometimes red pepper flakes. If it's a different type of soup that's not like a thick base like this, if it's like a chicken soup or something, I'll also add some hot sauce because we like hot sauce, okay? But yes, we approve of this vegan butternut squash soup. Giving. Now let's do a little taster for our I stirred this already? I'm pretty sure I did, but we're gonna stir it again. Let's see if the tea is giving. I've never had dandelion nettle. I'm not sure what nettle is. I'm gonna have to look it up. But it's like a cleansing situation, and we need a good cleanse every now and then, because even though I eat pretty healthy, like sometimes I eat pretty shitty as well. So this is the box, like I showed you guys, you know, already, and it comes with a cute quote. I'm not sure if all the quotes are different. But oh, it says remove tea bag and enjoy. Let me remove the tea bag, you guys. Let me follow directions. But yeah, I do love that it came with that cute little quote. Just gonna put that over there. I'm here for the cute quotes, because sometimes you just need a little bit of motivation, like no matter where it's coming from, you know. Okay. It's like very fresh, refreshing, not too heavy. Even though I have the honey in here, you can't really taste it. Okay, supports the body's natural detoxification process. We love that because we need a detox, okay? Look at her cute little face, you guys. How cute, how precious is she? I love her. Yeah, okay, so tea is hitting. I'm a tea queen. I'm a coffee and a tea queen. I have like way too many different teas. Like, it's a problem. Hence why I have so many different teacups and coffee cups, obviously. We approve of this tea. So, since I had hot just now, I'm going to go to the nuts. And then I'm going to go to the pasta salad, just because I feel like I don't want to go from hot to too cold. So this is the black garlic dry roasted mixed nuts, made with seasoned peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pistachio. And I love all of those nuts. I feel like I hate when sometimes mixed nuts come with like, is it macadamia? It's like macadamia and is it walnuts that I'm thinking of? Yeah, there's certain ones that come with like these interesting different types of nuts, and I'm like, I didn't ask. I don't want that in here. But yeah, let's try these. It smells so good. It smells nice and roasted. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna try like one of each different type of nut. So this looks like a cashew. I don't know if you guys can see that. Tabitha, these nuts are slapping. Let me get you guys a closer look. Listen, that black garlic, honey. Okay, that's the almond. Almond is hidden. Okay, let's try the hazelnut. Listen. Given pistachio. Also given. Wow. Okay. Nope, I'm missing a peanut. Where the peanut at? Oh, here go peanut. Here go another peanut. Okay. Yeah, I approve. This is given. This is coming with me wherever I go. In a Ziploc baggie, of course, but this is gonna take up a whole lot of room. It's like, I've never had black garlic before, and I can't really describe the taste, but it's delicious. Like, it doesn't really taste garlicky, but it's just like a good like roasty. That's how I can explain it, roasty. I don't know if I want to add any other words to that. And it's like not too salty. Wow, I'm here for it. Okay. Approve, approve, approve. Okay, so we're gonna do the pasta salad. And the pasta salad is lemon dill, made with orzo pasta, tomatoes, yellow bell peppers, garlic, and a lemon sauce. And this is what the container looks like. Used before 126.23. Okay. That's not a problem because I love me a pasta salad. Okay, so we are going to try this. Interesting. I've never really had lemon dill anything. I'm really truly not mad at it. It's just different for me. Definitely very dilly. I'm not even sure if I can really like pick up on the lemon, but not mad at it. Probably definitely not one of my favorites out of everything here. Let me give you guys like a kind of like a close-up view if I can. Definitely interesting. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Just because I don't think it's necessarily my vibe. I'm not a huge dough person, but it's good. Just not my favorite. And that's my honest opinion. Okay. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Okay. So, I'm not going to leave this for last because I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. But thankfully, I also have some tea here and a little bit of some other things left over where I can mask the taste just in case. I'm nervous. Wipe the top of this because it's a little dusty. Okay. I think I might have mentioned this, but not a huge fan of okra. As a Jamaican, growing up, you know, my parents would put like okra in like soups and like all this other stuff, and it's just like when it comes to textures, I can't eat certain things. And this was one of those things where I was kind of forced to eat it, or I would eat around it. Let me clean my palate with this. I'm scared. The reason why I wanted to try it is because it's pickled. Peppered, lemon, flavored, pickled okra. Let me tell you, when she was eating it, honey, it just looked really delicious. And it didn't look slimy. She was like, see, ain't no slime. And it didn't look like no slime. So, we gonna see. All right, let's see. Okay, it smells like pickled something. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, smells peppered. I wonder what kind of pepper is in here. I'm gonna look after. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just like a regular pickled anything. It's dripping. It's dripping. Okay. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, it's crunchy. It's like there's like a smidge bit of slime, but I'm gonna eat through it. Tabitha, baby girl, you might have did something because I don't like okra. Listen, let me have another one just to verify real quick, because I'm like, honey. It's giving. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. That's the only type of okra I'm eating. However, I still haven't tried fried okra. I don't know how that be hitting, but I know people rave about that. But I approve, Miss Tabitha Brown. I sure do. Listen, come on, pickled okra. Sure. Okay. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. my favorite popcorn. If you don't know by now, I'm gonna tell you right now, I love popcorn. Any type of popcorn. It's always in the house. We don't run out. We have regular kernels where we can pop it any way we want. We can pop it in my popcorn machine. We can do the old school. We got microwave popcorn where we could pop that in the microwave. We got air pop popcorn. Now I got Tabitha Brown's popcorn in 3 different flavors, honey. And yeah, so we are going to jump into that next. And I'm going to start with the pickle just because I love pickles. And again, just like one more time for like her face. Like, isn't she just like the cutest thing ever? I love her. Okay. Smells good. Organic dill pickle popcorn. Okay, let's see. That's good. Dilly. Dill pickly. Okay. It's not too overpowering. I feel like there's certain pickled popcorns or pickled chips that I've had before, and sometimes the pickle can get a little overpowering. I feel like this is looking good, like in between. Nice and crunchy. How your popcorn should be. I'm here for it. Okay. Alright. Okay. So now, let's try. I'm going to have a little more tea to cleanse my palate a little bit. Just because we're switching flavors now. That's good. This tea is really good, you guys. It's like very refreshing. It's low-key almost like it doesn't even really have like a flavor. But it does, if that makes sense. Wow. I support all of it. Also, how much did I spend on all of this? I spent $26 at one store and $27 at another store. So, like $50-something. Not bad. I'm still mad I forgot the freaking sausage though. But we gonna get it at some point. Okay, so next is the roasted garlic parmesan. And it's funny, I saw her make a video with this bag yesterday, and she was like, this is the best one. She said, I went to the store and bought all 10 of them because I can't. That's my business. And I said, go ahead, girl. I can't wait to try. Okay. Immediately, yes. Like, immediately, as soon as it touched my tongue, I was like, vegan roasted garlic. Your parmesan is slapping, honey. I wonder if it's cashew parmesan. Let's see. Sunflower oil, roasted vegan garlic, cane sugar, organic garlic powder, onion powder, yeast. I don't know, but all I know is it's delicious. Listen, y'all gotta go get all this stuff. It's delicious. Okay, let me stop because I got another flavor to try. And then I'm gonna wrap it up because that's gonna be the last item. Wow. No, she legit was not playing with that one. She legit said it's the best one, and I low-key think it might be the best one. Wow. Okay. This one, I'm sure is going to be delicious. Also because the bag is pink. We love pink around here. And this is, again, just like a sweet and salty, aka kettle. kettle vibe. Okay. It doesn't smell too sweet. I feel like most kettle corns, like it just smells like straight sugar. This one just like smells like airy. And like another thing that I will say is, I feel like when you buy, excuse me, any type of like chips or something like this, they tend to like fill the bag either halfway or like below. And Tabitha Brown got the bag at least 3/4 the way. See? Compared to most brands that be putting their stuff like all the way down here or down here, stop playing. This is what we paying for. Okay. Oh, that's delightful. And I taste the sugar cane immediately. Wow. And a dash of the Himalayan salt. Wait. I'm in between flavors now. The pickle ones was fire, don't get me wrong. I've had pickle popcorn before. The Parmesan garlic, everything. But this sugar cane that you can taste immediately. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know, you guys. I don't know if I could decide right now in between the two. It might have to be a tie. That's really good. Okay. I'm gonna stop before I burst because I just ate a lot of stuff. But I worked out before this, so it justifies. Okay. My favorite of the whole shebang, low-key, the ravioli. The ravioli was slapping. Probably the hardest out of everything. Obviously everything's like really delicious. Again, my favorite is not this pasta salad. It's good. It's just not my vibe. And I'm being honest. This is also really delicious. I was not expecting that. But I was like, let me try. Let me give it a shot. The tea is amazing. I definitely feel like if you need a good cleansing tea, go get that. Especially if you're like very weird about like different types of teas and how they taste. So good. Like you could barely taste like the ingredients that are in it. And I'm sure it's gonna do a nice cleansing for me. Yeah, I'm still in between those two different popcorn flavors. They're both slapping. I almost want to say, and this is probably because I'm an island girl and I grew up on sugar canes. I almost want to say the sweet, salty like wins for me, even though I'm also a cheese girl, because it's just like I wasn't expecting it to slap me with the sugar cane like that. It's just so good. Okay, so I'm going to finish this last ravioli and move on with my day because that's my business. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're gonna go try anything, and let me know what you guys are able to get, what you're not able to get. If you would like to see me try anything else, please feel free to let your girl know. Until next time, bye.